Hello friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be solving this equation. So let's start off. This is 4 raised to power x plus 3 times 2 raised to power x is equal to 28. So what we want to do first is to express 4 as a base of 2, or is to rewrite 4 as a power of 2. So that would be 2 raised to power 2, then x is there, plus 3 dot 2 raised to power x is equal to 28. But look at this, we have 2 raised to power x here. But what do we have here? 2 raised to power 2 and then raised to power x. From one of the laws of indices, if you have a raised to power b in bracket c, we can interchange the exponent, and this can be written as a raised to power c bracket b. Because when you multiply c and b, you get bc. Same here, if you multiply b and c, you get bc. So what I'm going to write here is to interchange the position of the exponent. The reason why I'm doing that so that it will match with what I have here, 2 raised to power x. So that would be 2 raised to power x in bracket 2 plus 3 dot 2 raised to power x is equal to 28. The next thing I'll do is to simplify this equation. I'm going to say let p be equal to 2 raised to power x. So what are you going to have here now? P squared plus 3p. I'll transpose 28 to the left-hand side. That will be minus 28. All is equal to what? 0. Now we have a quadratic equation, which I will solve. So the question is, what is going to multiply? Give me two factors such that when I multiply them, I'll get 28 or negative 28. When I add those two factors, I'll get 3. We can just start by writing 14, 2. Let's just not bother ourselves with the signs yet. 14 times 2 is 28, but 14 minus 2 or plus 2, will it give me 3? No. Let's try, what are we going to try now? Let's try 7 and 4. Now, one of the numbers will have a negative sign. If you put minus here, 7 plus minus 4 is 3, but 7 times minus 4 is what? Minus 28. So we're going to use 7 and what? Negative 4. To hasten things up, I'll just open two brackets like so, is equal to 0. Then write p here, plus 7 and what? Negative 4. All is equal to 0. So I can write p plus 7 is equal to 0. That's from 0 product rule. This will be equal to 0, or p minus 4 will be equal to 0. Now, this is p is equal to what? Negative 7. If you move 7 to the right-hand side, or here, p is equal to what? 4. That's what we have. But we need to get the value of x and not p. So what do? We already said let p be equal to what? 2 raised to power x. We'll go back and substitute p for 2 raised to power x here. Let's do that. So p is equal to 2 raised to power x. I'll write 2 raised to power x is equal to negative 7. Now notice there's nothing I can do here because this is a negative number. So from here, it's going to be what? No solution. So what about the next one? When p is equal to 4, that will be, when p is equal to 4, remember p is what? 2 raised to power x is equal to 4. So I can rewrite 4 as what? 2 raised to the power of 2. So if you do that, you have 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so let's bring this here. That's 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2. Can you see that they have the same base? I will equate the exponent. So here, x is equal to 2. Now we have gotten the value of x. But we need to test. Let's just quickly do a test to be sure that if we plug in 2 into this equation, we're going to have 28 on the right-hand side. So what do we have? We have that 4 raised to power 2 plus 3 times, this is times 2 raised to power 2. Let's see if this will give us 28. Let's do that. What's 4 raised to power 2? That is 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 3 times 2 raised to power 2 is what? 4. What is 3 times 4? That's 12. So 16 plus 12 is what? 28, as we have here. So which means the value of x that will satisfy this equation is what? 2. I hope you got value from this video. Support my work by sharing this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Do share my video to your friends and family. I'll see you in the next one. It's bye for now.